name is Leslie Rocha, and I am a professional data scientist and business marketer. I earned my Master's of Science in Business Analytics degree from Emory University and my bachelor's degree in marketing from Abilene Christian University. The two things that I can help you with here at Cansulta are number one, a comprehensive data analysis where I can look into your data and find meaningful insights for your business or help you solve a business question using your data. The second service that I can help you with are translation services from English to Spanish or from Spanish to English. I can translate anything from websites, presentations, or any professional documents that you need for your business. I would love to get in touch with you and to be able to meet you and to work with you and see what we can do together. So go ahead and schedule your appointment so that we can meet each other. Thank you so much.